Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find role settings on your server settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First, click here. Now click settings, and here as you see you will find role settings. And now as you see you can manage your role settings, your server role settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.